Family, back in the kitchen. Check this out. California veggie burgers. Sunlight buns. Sunlight on the bun, carrots, peas, broccoli, spinach. Join forces in our original most popular patty. Okay. 190 calories per patty. Excellent source of fiber. So I picked up these burgers from Sam's and gonna give it a whiff. So I'm gonna add some onion, bell pepper, just toppings to it. I got some cheese here as well too. Just something quick and something easy. Got these for like $15. There's 12 in here. Yeah, so I'm gonna actually use my toaster oven. This guy right here, I've had and never ever used it. It should be on 450, but it doesn't go that high. So I'm gonna leave it at 350 and let it rock and roll. So basically, you just want to make sure it's make sure it's all it's heated through and through. So it's 450 toaster oven bake. Place a frozen burger on an ungreased baking pan, like 10 minutes per side, or until heated through. So here we're gonna rock with that. So you guys stay tuned. We about to get these veggie burgers going. Healthier. We're gonna prep for next year. Healthier items. So you guys stay tuned.
Big guy, watch out. They gon' feel us when we roll. They call them big guy. And we be
back at it. Go ahead and show you guys what these guys look like. So they come in a little package. They're pre-packaged. Pre-packaged. Get your idea what they look like in there. There we go. Sorry. Yeah, usually they pre-packaged. Yeah, they all pre-packaged all up in there. And we're gonna take these guys and add them to our pan here, and we're gonna put them in the little toaster wrap here to my little toaster oven, because I don't want it all jacked up. Actually, I've had this toaster oven for almost a year. I think it's about a year. Right out of the pack, they smell really good. Smell really, really good. I'm gonna put 2 on here just in case. I may not eat 2, so you just have one without the bread stuff. Just want to bring you guys something new and alternatives as far as food. I mean, all this stuff is processed, so at some point I'm sure I will be making a homemade veggie burger. But for now, this is what we're doing. All right, so I'm going to get these guys into the toaster oven. It's at 10 minutes, so I got it right here on 350. All right, start. Oops. All right, hold up. Time on it. Anyway, I'll figure this out, guys. So 450 setting on it. All right, well, let's go. Yes, sir. All right, let's go. So it's 10 minutes, but I'll just add more time to it. Let's go and get our bread together. I'm gonna do one sandwich for now. So got my bread. Anybody that knows me know what I like to do with my bread. So I'm gonna go ahead and add some mayo on top of the bread. Mayo on top of the bread. Go ahead and smooth it out once I get my other hand. Bread together here. Let's go ahead and take this over. And we know we like to take the bread, mayonnaise up, and put them in our air fryer and let them toast. All right, let it go. I finally found a temp to this guy, so oops. Anyway, yeah, I finally found a temp to this guy. Let me go back out. So I go to 450. It wanted 10 minutes. So all right, so it's really good already. So all right, let's wait for it to get all heated up. My vegetables up here. I'm gonna add the bell pepper. Got my tomato, and I got a nice slice of very thin onion, and I got some thin slices of tomato as well too, and small pieces of lettuce and bell pepper. Just turn these guys. You definitely want to turn them. So 10 minutes on each side, just like the box said. I probably do 5 minutes on the other side, but let's just give it a go and see what happens. All right. There we go. All right. I got the bread over here ready, just about ready. I kind of took it out, so I'm letting it cook a little bit longer, and we should be good. We should be good to go. What's up? While it's cooking, I'm supposed to say, hey, what's up? It's been a few days, I know, but your man's had something going on with him. I really didn't want to say nothing, but just to make sure I was good to go. But so I have these crazy, weird chest pains all of a sudden. Actually, they started like almost 2 weeks ago. I thought because the way I slept, you know, maybe my chest was like, you know, aggravated, or the body was aggravated because the way I slept. But they end up like this past Sunday or so, got way worse. So kept me up all night, and I was probably panicking a bit. But I went to the doctor, and I did chest raise. She did all kind of little tests, whatever. So the heart is good. Got a big heart, so the heart is good. Say maybe muscle related. So I'm doing chest. I did a chest X-ray, came back normal. Now 3 weeks out, I'll be doing a mammogram. So yes, mammogram for men. So I'll be bring that to you guys and let you guys see. But basically, I just want to pop in and say, hey, stay positive. You know, don't let nothing in your life get so overwhelming to where it affects your health. It's not worth it. Nothing is worth that. So life is the most precious thing that we have, and we're gonna continue to live that life. So yeah, I've been down and out, more stressed out than anything, I believe. But sometimes it doesn't feel like stress. It's just things we put on ourselves, and then the body responded. So the body's like, no. So shut down a bit. And that's one of the main reasons why I haven't been online, because I've been not feeling well. But brought to you, so hence the veggie type burgers today. I wanted something light, none heavy. Didn't really care for meat up today. Been losing weight, or should I say maintaining weight. I'm right still at 278, 280. Of course, coming down from 306, 310. So that's a blessing. I can fit clothes that I couldn't fit before, so I got a whole new wardrobe now, so that's bomb too. So, but didn't want to talk your head off. Just want to just pop in real quick and talk to you about that. While I haven't been posting, but we're back in effect now. The great thing is next week we'll be in Jamaica, so we're very excited about that. So let's get back to the to the video. Show this burger, give you guys an idea of what it tastes like. Again, I got it from Sam's, and let's see. A few minutes. This is what my bread is looking like. You can go a little bit more toasted if you want to. I think I'm gonna stop it right here, since I do have a veggie burger. Actually, you know what? I'm gonna let it go a little bit longer because it's veggie, and I may have more juices from vegetables than you normally would with meat. So we'll brown it up a bit more. And these guys right here, I think they're good to go. So basically, I did 10 minutes on one side, and the other side I did almost 5 minutes. So we're gonna go with that. Let's go get the bread out. Down, throw some Dijon on this joker. It's at the bottom. Some Dijon at the bottom. Don't put too much if you don't like Dijon. And run this lettuce on the bottom as well. Yes, sir. Put that in there. Okay. All right, tomato on top. I did nice thin slices. Right. A little pepper on it. Try to keep it as clean as possible. I got kosher salt. A little kosher, not much. There we go, just a little bit. Yeah, just a little bit. A little bit more. There you go. That's good. Gonna go some more veggies right here on top of that. We're gonna go with the onion on top of that. Okay. And then we're gonna come over and get the star of the show. If I can get them out of here. Yes, sir. Get the star of the show over here. Sorry. Get the star of the show right here. Come back over here. Add that cheese. Now from this point, you can go, if you want to do another condiment, you can do that. If you like ketchup or maybe some yellow mustard, you can roll with that. But me, I like some of this. I like some of this. It's all vegetables, so run with it. Put a little kick to it. So I'm gonna qualify that Dijon mustard. There you go. There we go. Here we are. Top of this guy off. Look at it. It's a California veggie burger. You put avocado on here if you want to, some other things. But we're going really clean with this guy. And go from there. Let's go ahead and give it a taste. Where did this guy go? Yes, sir. This is not bad. That guys, just how the inside looks. It is pretty tasty. Pretty tasty. There you have it. Dr. Prager's California burgers. Very, very good. Very good. There you guys go. Got those from Sam's. I think it was like $15 for like a box of 12. So you can eat them by themselves, or you can make a burger. Or if you do get it, or taste them, I would do it with something toasted. So you can do it like a sandwich toasted, or the buns like I did toasted. Or you just use them by themselves, or you eat them with maybe some other vegetables like some broccoli or some rice or something like that. You can use it that way. Thank you guys for rocking with your boy. If you're here for the first time, please like the video and please subscribe to the channel. It's absolutely free. Hit that bell as well. So I appreciate you guys. I pray you guys are doing well. Thank you for keeping me in your prayers. And I'm gonna see you beautiful, beautiful people next video. Peace.